natural medicine has great amazing remedies that can help people with any problems with the body. There is a perfect solution for headaches, constipation, arthritis and even for cancer. This is a reason why natural medicine is gaining much ground, besides not causing side effects, and you can make it at home. Now we are introducing one of those natural remedies that include a lot of benefits. As a matter of fact, there are several properties which can be found in this splendid combination of only 2 ingredients. All you have to do is combine olive oil and lemon juice in a teaspoon, and that's it. It is so simple to make, but so beneficial for your health. Olive oil is well known all around the world, and it has been really exploited in ancient times by Greeks and Romans. It can be used so far, but not as much, because of the fact that it has only been used for cooking. Yet, this liquid gold has many things that your body needs, and if you combine it with fruit that contains large amounts of benefits, it can be wonderful. At this moment we are presenting you how outstanding is this mixture, and how your body will be helped. Benefits of taking a tablespoon of olive oil and lemon every morning. 1. Cardioprotective effect. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids which help in controlling and improving blood circulation and also removes the bad cholesterol that helps blood flow. Although, it has anti-inflammatory effects and provides many vitamins. 2. Fights constipation. This combination helps lubricate the digestive mucosa, and also activates the function of the bladder and gallbladder. It contains antioxidants, which help us to eliminate the toxins and helps with the proper digestion of food. 3. Articular or rheumatic pains. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, each morning a teaspoon of this recipe combats these irritating pains. 4. It maintains balanced liver and gallbladder. When we feel swollen, heavy or tired, it is because our body is intoxicated. You should help your liver to expel these toxins. Now you've met the secret which will help you to improve the function of your organs, and will relieve the pain. All you have to do is put it into practice. Do not forget to take it every morning.